Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how to create a fancy animated background for Zoom, for example, where you can even write wherever you want. I started using them in classes and my students react really well to it. They enjoy it, they find it entertaining, and so I get some extra attention to what's coming up. I divide my teaching sessions into different segments, like I'm running a TV show. And so the start is the routine, where we always have two questions, which are quelle est la date aujourd'hui? What's the date today? And then it's always followed by quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? Because these are two topics we discuss in French at the start of every class. Then we have les deux mots, the two words, where students look around them and choose something and they go, I wonder what that's called in French. And then we learn it, and we learn two words like that they choose at the start of every class. And that's our first 5 minutes. And I've made an animated background that asks quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Quel temps fait-il? I'd like to have one for the two-word segment, and I'm going to create it now, showing you how I would do it. So I use GIFs, which are animated pictures, and you can find GIF by just Googling whatever is the topic you want to look. For example, gorilla, and then GIF, GIF, and you will get a Google search results of animated pictures of gorillas. In my case, I went to a website called Giphy, which you can see on the screen here. And I just typed learning French. And I did not get very interesting pictures. But I did get a picture of crepes, and I like that. So I'm going to click on it to open it in a new tab. Actually, the same tab. And I'm going to right click and save it in a folder that I can find. So in my case, I made a folder in my picture files called Zoom background, and I'm going to save it as crepe, and it's a GIF image. This is step one of a few steps. Now you will see this a few steps before you can use it in Zoom. And at first it might be, whoa, lots of steps. But once you've done it a couple of times, you know what you're doing. And well, I think it's a bit of fun. For the next part, you need the website EasyGIF. It's easy to remember, EasyGIF. And you can, of course, bookmark it. So I'm going to click video to GIF, and then GIF to MP4, because we're not transferring a video into a GIF. We actually have a GIF already. Thank you very much. I'm going to upload my GIF, or you could just have pasted the URL if that's your thing. I am uploading my GIF of the crepe. Voila. Now I am just realizing that this is going to be a Zoom background, so my face is going to be where the crepe is to some extent. But we'll see how we go. All right. You don't have to add any writing. So if you don't want to add any writing, keep it simpler. That's fine. But I'm going to show you what happens if you want to add some writing, which is a lot more complicated. So I hit the right icon. There you go. And it's telling me that this GIF is made of 377 frames. So as you know, 377 divided by 3 is 59. I'm dividing it by 3 because I want to add 3 different words on it that appear at different time, just because I think it looks cool. So my first word is going to be les, and it's going to go from frame 1 to frame 59. So it appears for the first third of this GIF. And voila, set. And I'm going to place it at the top so it's easy to read. I'll put it here. And then I'll put deux, which is 2, starting just at the end of his hand. So I'll just scroll down a bit and I'll write deux. Deux will appear from frame 60. 60 plus 59, 119, and set. And like I said, I'll place it after the hand and it will appear here. Yeah, hopefully it looks like it makes sense. And I'm going to add more maybe here. So for the third one, I'll start from frame 120 until the end, and it'll be more. Les deux mots means the two words, because that's what I'm going for. A little different background for when we talk about the two new words we're learning at the start, chosen by the students. Right. Now, I scroll all the way down. There's quite a few frames because that's each and every one of the frames, but I don't need to worry about them. And I just click Create GIF. And voila, my GIF is created with les deux mots. I am going to convert my GIF into video. So that's the step we were at before. So if you didn't want to add any of the words, any writing onto your GIF, welcome back to the next step. We are going to convert this into an MP4 because Zoom does not want your GIF, it wants an MP4. So I click on Convert GIF to MP4 and I wait. I can sing a little song like I like. Oh, no, that was actually quick. No little song for you. So here's that little video that will say les deux mots. And you think, oh yeah, great. Now I just have to download it. No, that would be too simple. We need to resize it because Zoom wants videos of a certain size. Zoom requires the video to be a minimum of 640 by 320. And generally speaking, GIFs are smaller sizes. So we need to make it bigger by entering 640 here. Enter. And now it's been resized. It's a nice large video that says les deux mots while a crepe is being made, and it's the size Zoom likes. It is ready to be downloaded. Download. Download. I'm going to call it les deux mots because I'm smart like that. And I'm going to go into my Zoom and see if it works. I am now in my Zoom and I'm going to add the video I just made. So I choose add video, les deux mots, open. Hooray, it worked. And so it says les deux mots with someone making crepes behind me. And I'm going to be most likely using it in class, or maybe I'll just fiddle with it to make it a bit better because it looks like the word mo is staying for longer. Or is it just me? Anyway, I have a lot of fun doing that, and yeah, good luck.